Friends, this session of our tutorial will cover door delivery system in LOZICS Web ERP. In For door delivery, you have to choose go in the left hand side menu where you find delivery option. Under delivery operations, you have many delivery systems. Some of them we have discussed uh, already, that is unloading and MRGP, and now today we will discuss door delivery when the consignment is delivered to the customer at his door. So for this you have two options. The first is two steps in that option. The first is you have to make a door delivery run sheet, and second is when it is completed, it will be you will do delivery status. You will update the delivery status. So first, create a delivery run sheet. In delivery run sheet, usually it is the fixed delivery run sheet. You have to take main only until unless this is subsidiary. Delivery mode will be door, and there are few fields compulsory, which is delivery person, vehicle, and driver. So delivery person, you can write delivery person's name and vehicle number. The moment you start punching it, you get a list of your trucks, and the truck, if it belongs to you, if it belongs to your supplier, so supplier name also appears here, and here you have to write the driver's name. So now you have this drivers and driver's contact number. For this you have to enter the consignment number here, the consignment which is being sent for door delivery. The moment you punch or you put the percentage mark, or you put the complete number, you get the number here. So this is the consignment which says like it is being delivered from this particular warehouse, this much packages weight, and a tab in the last remarks field will take this consignment to this grid given below. So here you have this number, and all details comes here, and the number of packages, the all number whole, the entire number of packages are being sent for delivery, then this is fine. Else if you want to change it, so you have this left hand side icon which is edit icon. You just click this icon, and here you can add more. So similarly you can add more and more. This is one option, and then you have a second option which is that you can, for bulk, you can say get, and here you can do some filter. You can put the source where it comes from. Say for example it comes from this particular station, and this is for all the consignment for this particular destination, and then you put the date range for which the consignment has already been uploaded, and here you get a list of all the consignment which are pending for door delivery, and you can click on the left hand tick box, and all the consignment will go back to the screen. So that is another option. Now in this you have this particular new truck is going for the delivery. So this part is vehicle hire details, where you put what is to be paid to this truck for the day, and the total freight, if are any other charges plus or minus, total hire charges would be there, and loading, etc., etc. And these are the accounts which have been already been fixed in the financial accounting setup system, that this will be advance will go into this account, and balance will be posted to this account, and this is payable at this particular branch. Vehicle hire, if there are any other charges payable to labor, loading charges, unloading charges, or anything else, so you can also enter that, and loading account, and also this, and UA bill details for this particular consignment. So this is the door delivery mechanism, where you have entered this delivery which is going on this particular uh, for the door delivery. And now you can also mention route. For example, in I have taken the delivery station as taken as New Delhi. So in New Delhi, which place, this route gives you a text field where you can just enter this, where he is going for delivery, and so this will be the route on which this being delivered. So multiple consignment, and you can then submit it and save it and print it. And when you save it, it goes to a database which is visible here on this side. So you have all the consignment shown here, and all the consignment is all total value, total, and also it shows the total payable amount which has to be collected. So it will come under COD, that is cash to be collected from the customer. So COD, and this you can print and it goes along with the local truck for delivery. Now one part of door delivery system is over. With this option you update your stock, that is it reduces the consignment stock from your warehouse. And when, if you have delivered all or if something has returned back, so where do you update that? How do you update complete your door delivery system? For that we have update delivery status, update delivery status here. And now type undelivered, partially delivered, and fully delivered. So it will give you a list. So for example, you say undelivered run sheet. Here the list of run sheet will appear, the run sheet which are not yet updated. So you can take, enter the run sheet, and with the run sheet it shows this particular consignment with the so many packages, and it is good for, it goes for door delivery, and this is the COD, that has been, cash has been received or not received, because this is undelivered so there is no cash. And so this updates the stock, and it also updates the to pay amount that has been paid by the customer, and that is accounted for. So with this system, your complete delivery status, door delivery system is complete. Hope you have understood this. Thank you very much.